Hello, this is Jim Ferg from MarineMax, and this is the Sailfish 320cc. As you saw, I was just sitting down in the bow of the boat, nice and comfortable. Spin that around, and now I can fish from it. Lots of nice features up here on the bow. You have a nice step up, spot for a table, so you could sit out here with the family and eat lunch and have a nice time. There's a windlass. Everything is flush. They all pop up. Your cleats and your bow light. There's rod holders on this boat up in the bow. You have port and starboard boxes, an in-floor box. Right in front of the console here we have a nice Yeti cooler. Also serves as a seat. As we move to the back here, this boat has a wonderful helm equipped with a lot of Raymarine electronics. Two 12-inch displays, autopilot, fusion stereo system, LED spotlight. Up here we have a tri-data and a VHF. This boat is also equipped with flare. Here's your remote for your VHF, so you don't have to reach up and there's no cord dangling around. Power steering. Control for the windlass. All of our switches. Nice glove box. Our digital throttles. You have switches up here for your cockpit lights and your docking lights. This boat is equipped with outriggers. Up here at the console we have a nice storage compartment. Keep your phones, gloves, binoculars. PFD storage overhead, that's life preservers. At the helm, when you're driving, it's really nice to sit and you can put your feet up and you can sit like this, or if you really want to be comfortable, put the seat down, put the armrest down, and you're really driving in comfort with the autopilot on. It's very comfortable. Tilt steering wheel as well. As we move to the cockpit area, the lean post, we have a rocket launcher here as well up above. You have a little action camera mount so you can put your fishing day on video for everybody to see. We have a sink, freshwater sink, bait cooler, and tackle storage. Drawers, a tackle, and more tackle trays. Large cockpit, there's a big in-floor fish box. Right back here we have additional storage, both port and starboard. We have our live well. Additional rod holders in the back here. You have a saltwater washdown, a remote stereo, so if you were swimming in the water and you wanted to come back to the boat and not have to climb into the boat, you could use that. Speaking of swimming in the water, you have a freshwater shower for when you get out. This boat is also equipped with freshwater washdown. One connection does the motors. You don't have to do individual motors. Just plug it right in and it'll take care of both motors for you. You don't have to worry about anything while you're washing the boat down. This has been the Sailfish 320cc. My name is Jim Ferg. You can contact me at 609-494-2102 or email me at jim.ferg@marinemax.com for this or any other boat that MarineMax sells. Thank you.